Wait, this is a van? Because the moment you look at the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van, everything you thought you knew about vans instantly feels outdated. This isn't a vehicle you use just to get from point A to point B. This is a rolling luxury lounge, a private jet on wheels. And honestly, nobody told us vans could be this luxurious. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana still carries that bold, confident GMC DNA. It looks strong, capable, and purposeful. But don't let the familiar exterior fool you, because once you step inside, the experience changes completely. This van isn't about utility anymore. It's about comfort, status, and redefining what luxury travel really feels like. Open the door, and the first thing that hits you is space. Real space. Not cramped, not compromised. You can stand, move, and breathe. The interior feels more like a high-end hotel suite than a vehicle. Premium leather seats wrap around you with perfect cushioning, designed not just to look good, but to make long journeys feel effortless. Every stitch, every surface feels intentional. And these seats aren't just seats. They recline, heat up, cool down, and adjust in ways that make you forget you're even on the road. Whether you're traveling for business or relaxing with family, this van adapts to you. It doesn't ask you to compromise. Then there's the lighting. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a calm, elegant atmosphere. Day or night, the interior always feels warm and premium. You don't feel rushed, you don't feel stressed, you feel relaxed. And that's exactly what luxury is supposed to do. Look around and you'll notice how quiet it is. The 2026 GMC Savana is engineered to reduce road noise to near silence. Conversations feel private, music sounds richer, the outside world fades away. This is especially powerful if you're someone who spends a lot of time traveling. The difference between arriving tired and arriving refreshed is everything. Technology plays a huge role here too. Large, high-resolution displays give passengers full control over entertainment, navigation, and comfort. Streaming, connectivity, and smart controls are seamlessly integrated. Whether you want to watch movies, join a meeting, or just relax with music, everything is right where you need it. And let's talk about power, because luxury doesn't mean weak. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana offers powerful engine options that deliver smooth, confident performance. Acceleration feels effortless. Highways feel stable. Even with all this luxury on board, the van moves with authority. You never feel like you're driving something heavy or slow. The ride quality is where this van truly separates itself. Bumps are absorbed. Rough roads feel smoother. Long trips don't feel long anymore. GMC has clearly focused on creating a driving experience that feels premium for both the driver and the passengers. This is not just a passenger experience, it's a full vehicle experience. Safety is another area where the Savana shines. Advanced driver assistance features work quietly in the background, keeping everyone protected without being intrusive. From collision alerts to stability systems, everything is designed to support the driver, not overwhelm them. Confidence behind the wheel is part of the luxury package. What's really impressive is how versatile this van is. It can be customized for business executives, luxury transport services, large families, or even long-distance touring. You can configure it as a mobile office, a VIP shuttle, or a comfort-focused family vehicle. It adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. This is where the 2026 GMC Savana changes the conversation. For years, luxury meant sedans and SUVs. Vans were practical, not premium. But this vehicle proves that luxury is not about size or shape, it's about experience. And this experience is next level. Imagine airport pickups where clients feel impressed the moment they step inside. Imagine road trips where everyone is comfortable, entertained, and relaxed. Imagine owning a vehicle that stands out not because it's flashy, but because it feels different, elevated, refined. And let's be honest, there's something powerful about surprising people. When someone hears van, they expect basic. When they step inside this Savana, they experience luxury they never saw coming. That moment of surprise is part of the appeal. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van isn't trying to compete with traditional luxury cars. It's creating its own category, a category where space meets sophistication, where power meets comfort, and where practicality meets prestige. This is the kind of vehicle that quietly changes minds. It doesn't shout, it doesn't need to. The quality speaks for itself. Every mile reinforces the idea that luxury doesn't have to follow old rules. Nobody told us vans could be this luxurious, but now that we know, it's hard to look at the road the same way again.